Alright, hey y'all, so today I've got these two little walkie-talkies. I thought I'd do something with them, but I never really did anything with them. I don't really think they work very well. I haven't tested them out, but even if they did, I already have a pretty good walkie-talkie. Get to talk to my friends with, and we don't even use that since he's got a tablet and I got a phone. So chill, but basically, I got this. I might as well do something with it other than throw it away, because I do not waste anything with electronics. I either get the motors out, get the speakers out, buttons and stuff, save the circuit board for literally no reason. But I got the batteries that I did have out to test them. I got them out and put them up in the battery rack. It comes off because it's all dry rotted. Basically, I'm gonna take these things apart. Snip the wires, put those wires in the trash can. Take the battery terminal things, whatever they're called. I do not know why. I don't know what they're called yet, or I can't remember, but I don't. That doesn't matter though. Matters is that I gotta take this thing apart, and y'all are gonna watch. Alright, I'm gonna start out with this one. I'm gonna grab my little $50 thingamajig, little electric screwdriver. That's helped me a lot. I'm not sure how y'all can see, so I'm having to check the camera a bunch of times. Why you might be hearing me mumble and stuff, but I gotta concentrate. Alright, let's start off by getting these back screws out of it. I hope y'all can see that well. I'm probably gonna have to zoom in. I'm also probably gonna have to speed up the video. Alright, well, I've gotten it open now. I'll get my little snippers, just snip it open. Yep, now I got a speaker here. I'm gonna get out later. These buttons, completely useless. They're going in the trash. And next I've got to find out how to get this thing and, take out the circuit board. Okay, yeah, that just wanted to snap off, I guess. Okay, got a little wire right there. Snip that. I think that's the microphone. No, that's the antenna. Some kind of copper stuff in the back. This will not be the end of the video, though. So, here I've got a little capacitor. I'm going to snip that. Put that right there. I don't know what these guys are called, but I should probably know by now. The little orange guys. That's what I'm gonna call them. The little orange guys with the 3 prong. Okay, that just hit my hubcap. I'm gonna, snip that. I don't know what that is either. Here's another capacitor here. That one was way too small, and its wires were way too close to the circuit board, so I couldn't cut it right. Really isn't much to this thing, I'll tell you that. Yeah, really is not much. Maybe I can get this piece off. these two back covers, trash. And now all this stuff goes to the back. This screw back here, I mean, again, I'm going to take apart, like, basically everything. So I might as well take off this screw. And I heard a springy noise, so that means, yes, there is a screw back there. And when there's a screw, it goes in the screw bin thing. That thing goes in there. Oh no, that's a spring. I am circuit board number 1, back and front. Put these over here for now. Now time for piece number 2. Walkie-talkie number 2. Alright. So got that open. Speaker wires gone. I know the drill now. Just pop open that plastic. Put that plastic in the trash. I'm gonna try and get this stuff out without breaking it. I think having the glass is pretty cool. That is if it is glass. I don't really know if it is. Here it is. Just, you know, scratching. I'm gonna, oh gosh. I'm gonna put it in here. Yeah, just for now, because I don't know what else I can do for it, with it. Get it off, you know. Take off the antenna wire right there. Take off the screw that goes to the back thing. This thing. You know, get the spring out, just put it in there. Those springs can come in handy, I'm telling you. Well, they will, eventually. Maybe, I don't know. But I'm pretty sure I've had a project or two that I've needed that. I'm not going to do anything with these little tiny capacitors. Get the bigger capacitor out. Here it is up close. This big wire right here. Be snipped. I didn't do that on the last one. I didn't snip that wire. Again, I don't know what these are called, but it's going in the bin. Right there. Other part of the black wire gone. For some reason it hit the same place. Same one hit the same place. So I'm gonna get this other orange thing off. These little stickers off. I don't see why I wouldn't. I don't see why not. So, okay. So next, I'm probably gonna speed up the video a lot more. Alright, I got that second piece off. I'm probably going to do the other one off camera. Because I don't see a reason to do the same. I mean, I did that already with this one. I did most of the stuff on this one, and then I did it again, so I guess I'm just trying to make the video longer, even though you probably don't want to see a longer video. Because I already know this video is probably boring enough. So I'm going to get this speaker out if possible. Yeah, that's an easy little speaker right there. Into the bin. Gonna go into the... Oh! Hold up. There we go. Okay, that's gonna go into the little toolbox later. Okay, that just completely wasted a speaker, but I might as well get the metal out. Just flung a little circuit board thing to the other side of my room. There we go. I'm supposed to put this out. This, yeah, that I don't know how to get that out. I'm gonna try these with this thing here. That's well, I'm probably gonna do the rest off camera. Here are the two circuit boards. This was mostly just a video because, you know, I was kind of bored and I didn't know what to do with these except, you know, taking them apart, and I might as well make a video of it. So, yeah, that was the end of this video. Hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next one.